We will be presenting some important product information over the next 3 minutes or so. To ensure that you can follow the instructions smoothly, we kindly recommend pausing the video or taking screenshots of the information for future reference and careful reading. Each screen will be displayed for approximately 5 seconds. Don't worry, we will include a progress bar to help guide you, just like the one you can see at the bottom right now. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. Click Power, no response. In this next part, we will bring you a recorded video, and as we said before, we strongly recommend you to pause or take a screenshot to watch each step. The progress bar is still there. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. Step 1. How to disable auto boot. Power on your Mac and launch terminal. To launch terminal, you can either use Spotlight Search or navigate to Applications / Utilities in Finder and double-click the terminal icon. Step 2. 1. Copy and paste the following command or type it exactly into terminal. 2. Press Return. Your return key may also be labeled or Enter. 3. If you are prompted for an administrative password, type the password and press Return. Your password will not be displayed in terminal. Step 3. You can now safely power down your Mac and remove the bottom case without it accidentally powering on. Remember, you must still disconnect the battery before servicing internal components. Step 4. When your repair is complete and your Mac is successfully reassembled, you can re-enable the auto boot feature. 1. Power on your Mac and launch terminal. 2. Copy and paste the following command or type it exactly in the terminal. 3. Press Return. 4. If you are prompted for an administrative password, type the password and press Return. Your password will not be displayed in terminal. Place a non-woven cloth over the screen to encase of spillage of alcohol or prevent disconnection from damaging the screen. Remove the rear cover screw. Please repeat the previous step until all screws are loosened. Open both sides of the rear cover. Pull out the old adhesive strips. Pry up the battery interface. Don't forget to unscrew the 2 small screws on either side of the touchpad. Lift the cable port of the touchpad with a crowbar. Turn the cable of the touchpad to the other side. Remove the screws. Pry open interface. Remove the screws. Remove the screws again. Insert the plastic card from one side under the battery. Drip the alcohol, and then slowly push the plastic card until the cell comes free. Repeat the previous step until all the batteries come off. Remove the battery. Wipe away any excess alcohol. Put in new battery. And tear off the protective limb. Install the screw. Install the screw again. Load up the body. Layer the tape on the middle cell. And then put down. Please repeat last time. Please repeat last time again. Install the power interface screw. Insert the battery interface and press the buckle. Put on new adhesive strips. Close the rear cover. Tighten the screws and repeat the previous step until all screws are tightened.